So I want to welcome you to the Holiday Ideas 2024, and I am Roxanne Wheeler. And we have a number of items here that I did want to tell people about because they're going to sell out really fast starting November 1st. And I do want to also tell you that that you can get a free Raven Sarah, which is a wonderful oil for breathing and for wellness, for antiviral and so forth, if your order is processed on the rewards monthly ordering program by the 15th of the month when it totals 125 PV. And that can go even for a new enrollment that goes in right away. After November 1st, so or on November 1st. No pressure at all, but it's very nice to know you are gifting people you care about with certified pure effective essential oils and get something free for yourself as well. In fact, I can get you more free when you start with me or one of my people. So just let me know before you get on the website so I can give you a special promo code that would allow you to possibly get a number of freebies. So on this particular screen on the left side is a gift called the Bright and Cozy Trio. And again, all of these holiday items will be maximum 4 per item per account until supplies run out of that particular item. And so this Bright and Cozy Trio is made up of peppermint oil, Madagascar vanilla, and wild orange. And that comes to $49.50 wholesale pricing. And let me see if I can tell you the PV, because that may be something some of you want to know about. So the PV on that is 40. So it's 40 PV, $49.50. On the right side of the screen is the Holiday Peace Oil, and that is a big bottle oil. So the bottles on the left are small bottle oils, which means they have about 83 to 85 drops per bottle. And the big bottle oil has about 250 to 300, depending on the type of oil and how viscous it is. So the Holiday Peace is a wonderfully calming oil. I know I use it all the time, all year long. If I happen to run out of certain calming oils, I will put that in my diffuser, or I will at least smell it from the bottle directly. Now, the Holiday Peace by itself is $28.50, and the PV is 28.5. Or if you get it with the Emerald diffuser, this little bubble diffuser, which is about 3 inches in diameter and about maybe 1.5 inches tall. It is motion activated. It's a beautiful little diffuser. You literally plug the bottle directly into the diffuser. No water is needed. And it can actually be charged up and will probably run for maybe, I'm not really sure how long it will run where it's motion activated, but it will be rechargeable with a USB cord that's about 12 inches long. You can hook it to your computer even. And so that piece, or the piece with the bubble diffuser, comes to $52, and it's a PV of 20 PV. Next, we've got the cinnamon drops on the left, and the cinnamon drops are, as well as the lemon lime drops, are individually wrapped, and they each provide protective and supportive benefits. They are $14.50 per bag of 30 drops, and that is 10 PV per bag. And then we've also got organic honey, which is extremely protective and very supportive of a healing body. This organic honey is 5.4 ounces, and it is sourced in the Yucatan of Mexico, without any pesticides or anything like that that could possibly taint it. So it is CPTG, meaning certified, pure, tested grade oils that have been tested for any kind of adulterant, any kind of pesticides, additives, colorings, preservatives, none of that stuff is in our doTERRA products. And so that would come in the little gift box with the organic honey. And the organic honey has wild orange in it. It sells for $18.50. And the PV is, let me see if I can find that here. The PV is 10 PV. The next screen on the left is my absolute favorite product ever in the holiday products. And they only come out once a year. They're for a limited time offer. And my favorite product ever is the tinted lip gloss. It is so smooth and so soothing to my lips and extremely shiny. So I don't know if you noticed when we first got on to the Zoom, I've got it on my lips and it's very shiny. It tastes good too. It's $14.50 in a ginger color, and the oils in there include Japanese peppermint, clove, and wild orange. On the right side is the Yarrow Palm Revitalizing Eye Mask, and it's a lovely treat for oneself or others who want to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and puffiness, contributing to a revitalized, well-rested appearance. There are 8 masks in the box for $39.50 each, and the PV on that is 30 PV. On the left side here, we have the Yule Log blend, which is brand new. So for all of our oil collectors, they're going to want to grab that. And it's again a 15 PV. I'm sorry, a 15 ml bottle. So it's 250 to 300 drops in that bottle. And it will bring people together as a source of warmth and a symbol of hope. Yule Log is the quintessential oil blend of holiday togetherness, with rich timbers, including CPTG certified pure tested grade cedar wood, Siam wood, sandalwood, and Nootka essential oils, along with the warm labdanum and cistus extracts. The Yule Log inviting blend captures the celebratory tradition of lighting a special seasonal fire. Diffuse Yule Log essential oil blend to fill your home with an enchanting appeal all winter long. And that is $28.50 as well. And it's 28.5 PV. Next on the left is a holiday trio, and this is perfect for creating an ideal atmosphere with the holiday joy, holiday peace, and holiday love in one convenient collection of 5 ml bottles, each 83 to 85 drops per bottle, and that will set the mood for any event. Holiday joy enlivens the environment with a warm, spicy, and sweet aroma. The grounding, calming aroma of holiday peace, reminiscent of wintertime traditions, adds a tranquil aroma to any setting during this busy season. Let the welcoming comfort of holiday love fill the air with a rich, woody, and spicy sweet aroma that's perfect for intimate gatherings or events and family festivities. So that's on the left side. So that is the holiday trio, and the PV on that is 30. So it's $38 for that holiday trio. On the right side is a formulated doTERRA sensitive skin carrier oil, and it's a very gentle carrier oil made to calm, comfort, and condition your skin. And so many things can affect our skin. A sunny day at the beach, wintry winds on the slopes, even age and genetics. So this sensitive skin carrier oil to me is perfect for any kind of blend you want to make to apply to your face because it's going to be non-comedogenic as well. And so this proprietary combination of fatty oils includes grape seed, hemp seed, rose hip, and meadow foam. It fortifies and protects the skin's moisture barrier. It's lightweight, comforting, and penetrating. And it soothes and nourishes dry, distressed, and irritated skin. So you're going to want to dilute any favorite essential oils with this odorless, colorless carrier oil to enjoy the benefits of those oils while also minimizing any potential reactions on your skin. It's $18 for a 30 milliliter bottle with a dropper top, and that 30 milliliter will hold at least 500 to possibly 600 drops of that particular carrier. So lastly, here are some frequently asked questions with holiday items. How many can we buy? We can buy 4 maximum per account. So what you can do is have a friend with their account. If you wanted any extras, for example, like last year I bought 6 of the lip glosses, but I had to get a friend to order me 2 extras from her account that she wasn't maxing out on them. So a friend who isn't maxing out on an item might be able to get it for you. And of course, they'll probably say yes, because if they're on the rewards program, they'll be keeping the rewards from your order, but you'll be lucky enough to get as many of those products as you want. And so if you have, and then the second question is, do you want to start a new wholesale account or reactivate a wholesale account? You can, if you are a person who already has your own wholesale account, you can literally share your refer a friend link to that friend or family member. And what you're doing when you do that is you're gifting them a free year of wholesale membership, which is nice. And or if you need a refer a friend link and have nobody else to form your own wholesale account, you can use this link to start with me. And it's https://referral.doterra.me/679,005, which is my account number. And of course, I always feel that education and support are absolutely critical, because I don't ever want anybody to have any product that they don't know how to use fully and get the most out of their investment. So I'm always big on education and support. So in fact, I pride myself in doing that really well. So you'll want to literally, let me see if I can get out of this now and stop sharing my screen. Hmm. I don't think I shared my screen. Gosh darn it all.